Hey girls. Is your man ignoring you? Do you feel like no matter how much you love him, he's pulling away? You text, he replies late. You care, he doesn't even notice. You try, and try, but nothing works. If that's you, stop scrolling. You've come to the right video. Because today, I'm going to tell you the truth. Why men lose interest. Why they chase some women, and forget others. And most importantly, how to be the woman a man never forgets. Stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to share can change everything. Not just your current relationship, but how every man sees you from now on. Let's get into it. First things first. Men don't fall for the woman who chases them. Men naturally love the chase. So don't be the one running after him. If you're always the first to text, always checking on him, always trying to impress, his interest will fade. You need to step back. Create space. Add a little mystery. Let him come to you when he has to earn your time. He values you more. But if you make it too easy, he stops trying. And that's when the spark dies. They fall for the woman who knows her worth. Confidence? That's attractive. Desperation? That pushes them away. When you stop begging for attention and start giving yourself attention, that's when they notice. The moment you stop waiting for his call and focus on your own life, that's when you become powerful. Men are drawn to women who are kind, but have boundaries. Supportive, but not clingy. Loving but not losing themselves in the process. Now listen carefully. Men are also visual. That doesn't mean you need to look like a model. But take care of yourself. Your body, your skin, your vibe. That soft glow, a clean scent, a little confidence in how you walk. It all matters. You don't need to show everything. Sometimes, a little mystery is sexier than too much skin. A glance, a smile, a soft voice. These leave a deeper impression than you think. The way you carry yourself. How you speak. How you laugh. How you touch your hair. Even how you sit. Can make a man feel something. Without a single word. That's the art of feminine energy. Be warm, be playful, be in your own power. Let him crave your presence. Don't always be available for him. Here's what else drives men wild. A woman who makes him feel like a man. Strong, trusted, needed. A woman who knows how to flirt without being obvious. A woman who's passionate about life, about her goals, about herself. And yes, men are attracted to a woman who enjoys intimacy. But intimacy should be shared with someone who truly values you. Someone who earns your trust and respect. Don't give your body just to make him stay. Wait until love is real and strong. Because when you feel safe and loved, intimacy becomes beautiful. You don't have to be the most beautiful. But if you're the woman who brings peace, not pressure, you win his heart. Remember, girls, the right man will never make you feel like you're chasing him. He'll show up. He'll make the effort. And he'll value you. You are the prize. Never forget that. Your worth is not in how much you give, but in how much you value yourself. Be the woman he can't forget, not the woman who's always trying to be remembered. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend who needs this reminder.